Alright, leaving Casey's up here in Buffalo. Tore down a building over there, it looks like, but it's a lot different than I was here a couple years ago getting stuff. I don't come up here too much. But nice guys. Casey retired finally, and they got me a little bit though, but what are you gonna do? No, I mean, it was expensive, a lot of chrome though. I got some chrome rims going on now, and brand new front steer tires that I didn't need, but I need them when I switch out. And I saved about 150. I saved about 300 on those. Getting them now. They gave me a real good deal on them. 250 brand new tires for the front. So doing good. So I'm getting out of Buffalo, heading back home. I gotta see what time it is. Man, I was screwing around a long time there. Actually, I gotta put this in for home up here now. All right, that's about it. Heading home.